Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. And guys, this is Shayan, your English learning partner. And guys, today I have something excited to show you, which is really fascinating, along with its a historical place, which is called Dinajpur. It's Fairground. So guys, good afternoon everyone, and how are you all doing today? And I hope that you all are having a wonderful time. That's why now you are watching this video, and I'm also having a splendid time as well. That's why now I'm here, and I'm deeply delighted for being a part with you guys on today's video. And guys, just now I'm standing in a historical place which is known as Dinajpur is Fairground. Here you can see this is the atmosphere as well as the environment as well. Here you can see. And guys, Dinajpur Youth Fairground is one of the largest youth fairground in South Asia, and the total area about this youth fairground around 22 acres. So it is 44 biggest land along with um 6 lakh people can perform their prayer every Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Adha together. That is really fascinating thing for the Dinajpur residents of Dinajpur. And every single afternoon, if you come here, your mind will be refreshed because here the environment is really attractive, and here you can see numerous people has come here already, and they are busy. They are playing football, they are playing cricket, they are playing other sport as well. Some of them they are just riding the bicycle. And western part of myself, here you can see আমি যদি আপনাদের একটু দেখাই, there are also some of the people has come here and they are sitting on the porch of this mosque, and they are busy with their phone. They are scrolling their phone, they are checking their photo by using their smartphone, their camera. So প্রিয় দর্শক শ্রোতা, এই মুহূর্তে আমি যে জায়গাটিতে মূলত দাঁড়িয়েছি এটা আসলে দিনাজপুর জেলার আসলে একটি বিখ্যাত জায়গা, এবং সেই সাথে আমাদের দক্ষিণ এশিয়ার এটা সর্ববৃহৎ ঈদগাহ মাঠ, যেখানে প্রায় একসাথে 6 লক্ষ মানুষ আসলে তাদের নামাজ আদায় করতে পারে। এবং যে এই যে এলাকাটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বা ঈদ ফেয়ারগ্রাউন্ড আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, যেটার মূলত আসলে আহ 22 একর, যেটাকে আমরা যদি কনভার্ট করি 44 বিঘা মাটি আসলে। এবং বিকেল বেলা পরিবেশ সত্যি অনেক মনোরম। And guys, there are lots of facilities. There are different types of shop, and you can buy some different types of fruits as well here. And here, not only from the Dinajpur district, other districts residents also come here to take their perform. And when people take their or perform their prayer together, then it's the really fascinating thing for our country's people. অর্থাৎ প্রিয় দর্শক শ্রোতা, যখন এই আমাদের এই ইনস্টাগ্রামে 6 লক্ষ মানুষ একসাথে তাদের ঈদের নামাজটা আদায় করে, তখন সেটা আমাদের প্রিয় দেশবাসীদের কাছে সেটা আসলে সত্যি আকর্ষণীয় হয়ে ওঠে। So guys, this is all for today, and how is your feeling after watching this video? And if you find this video is really helpful, then don't forget to share this video on your timeline. And guys, don't forget to drop a juicy and wonderful comment below the comment section. So now today I'll come back with another video. Till then, stay safe.